Hello mate, I found 3 ways to save money in Australia. First, you can get free food at churches. Yesterday, I went to an art museum. I made new friends there, and they took me to a church. It's my first time to go to a church. Very interesting. And I get a free dinner. It's yummy. Second, you can buy discount food from Coles, Woolworths, or Aldi. I often buy some discount food. Third, you can shop at DFO for cheap brand clothes. I bought a t-shirt just $10, very cheap. I really like. Bye bye.